really, really good. Grabe. Nandun yung power. Nandun talaga yung complex techniques niya din. The moment she started the song pa lang, nagbato agad siya ng ad-libs. Like, yeah! We were like, whoa! It's crazy. It's tama si Coach Billy, where it packs a lot of power and it packs a lot of soul to sing a song like that and perform a song like that. So, classic vocal. I just love it. I just loved each second of that performance. Kaso nga, sinerte na naman yung kambal dun. And minalas tayo. Pero, yeah, good luck, Audrey's. I'm pretty sure in good hands naman. So,